Wait. What did you win?
He said I can have as many as I want. Guys, this boat, $133,000. It's already a house in the Philippines. Oh my God. Son, come over here. You'll be shocked. For the price, already a house in the Philippines. Come over here, honey. Come here. Oh my God. $169,000. $169,000.
Yeah,
That's
but-
already a house in the Philippines.
But you get a place to put your crab pots and all your fishing rods and your downriggers. This boat has everything.
This is already a house in the Philippines. $169,000 for a boat.
It's a good deal.
Guys, $79,000 for a boat. This is already a house in the Philippines. I would rather have a house than this one. Here, put your stuff. I'll carry.
How many bags did you steal?
2. Hey,
Say Puyallup.
Puyallup?
I thought so.
No prize, but you want to keep them.
I don't know. I didn't look at it.
You have to miss your wrist.
She said I can have as many as I want. I can use this for grocery shopping. Okay, come and
trying
take a
to give
video,
you-
please. This is gonna be epic.
All right.
Come on, ready? 1, 2.
Yeah, go
Put it
ahead.
here.
Yeah. And
Oh,
Yeah.
I can reach it. No.
you can reach
Yeah.
to the middle, but then you have to drop from the top.
Ah, you have to drop them.
Oh.
Okay,
Put it in
so
here?
And then, yeah, but above.
now come out
Above the bar, yeah.
and
Drop right in the
I
then
have a bad arthritis. That's why.
Into the.
and then drop.
Is that cheating?
You're good.
How do I win?
You got one with the Toyota in the cup.
Oh my God! I won! I won!
Wait. What did you win? A car?
Military sack.
It's not a truck though.
I thought it's a round trip ticket to the Philippines, but
Oh,
it's not. It's okay.
alright.
Thank you, guys.